Alright, let's be real for a second. Social media isn't just a playground for memes and cat videos anymore. It's a gold mine for your business, if you know how to dig. Today, I'm breaking down simple but powerful strategies to crush your competition and actually win clients on social media. First things first, know your audience better than your competitors know their own. Forget the scattergun approach. I always start by zeroing in on my ideal customer. Who are they? What keeps them up at night? What content do they actually care about? It's not about posting more, it's about posting smarter. Next up, value. Don't just sell, serve. Every post should answer a question, solve a problem, or make your audience feel something. Share behind-the-scenes snaps, quick tips, case studies, or client shoutouts. I find that the more I give away, knowledge, advice, even a bit of humor, the more people trust me. Now let's talk consistency. Posting once a week and ghosting isn't going to cut it. I set a calendar, plan my content, and keep showing up, even when I don't feel like it. Consistency builds trust and familiarity. And in the world of business, that's half the battle. Here's a secret weapon: engagement. Don't just broadcast, start conversations. I always reply to comments and DMs, ask questions in my posts, and even use polls or quizzes to get people talking. The more you interact, the more the algorithm loves you. Plus, you get priceless feedback straight from your audience. And hey, never underestimate the power of storytelling. People remember stories, not sales pitches. I share real experiences, mistakes I've made, and lessons I've learned. It's a game changer for building genuine connections. Quick pro tip: use analytics. Every platform gives you free insights. I regularly check what's working and what flopped, then tweak my strategy. It's not about guessing, it's about evolving with your audience. Finally, don't try to be everywhere at once. Pick 2 platforms where your audience hangs out and go all in. Quality over quantity, always. So if you want to crush your competition, stop winging it. Know your audience, deliver value, show up consistently, engage, tell great stories, and use your analytics. With a little focus and a lot of heart, you'll turn likes into loyal customers, and maybe even have fun along the way. If you found this helpful, tap that like button and drop your biggest social media struggle in the comments below. Let's win together.